learners, is glad to see you in Krishna's page. Today is a day 33 of our 300 days DSA series. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it and build our approach. So today's problem is the advanced version of reverse string. We have already solved the problem reverse string. Now let's see the advanced version of it and see what's the twist in it. So here we have given a string s and also an integer k, and we have to reverse the first k characters for every 2k characters counting from the start of the string. Also it is saying if there are fewer than k characters left, reverse all of them. If there are less than 2k but greater than or equal to k characters, then reverse the first k characters and leave the others as original. I'm sure most of you didn't get what I actually said. So now let's move to the examples to understand it more clearly and see what actually happening in this problem. So in the example you can see we have given a string as a, b, c, d, e, f, g and k as 2. So according to the problem, first we have to see if there are 2k characters available in this string or not. So 2k means 4. So we can see in this string there are more than 4 characters. So we will going to take starting 4 characters and going to reverse starting 2 characters, which is AB. As you can see in the output, AB has been reversed, which has become BACD. Thereafter we are again going to check if there are 2k characters available or not. We can see there are only 3 characters. That means it is greater than k. So we are going to reverse only k characters. So that's why in the output you can see E and F are being reversed, and then G is going to be as original. Same in example 2, we have given a string as ABCD and K as 2. That means first we have to check if there are 4 characters available or not, and we can see in this example we have only 4 characters. So starting 2 characters are being reversed here. So now I hope you guys understood the problem and know what is actually happening in this problem. So now let's jump into the code to understand how I actually approach this problem. So as you can see, the first line of code is t equal to 0. So here I have created a variable which is going to denote my characters in my string. Thereafter I have created a list of characters from my string, and following that I have run a loop in which t should be less than of length of my list. In the loop I have created 2 variables I and j. I is going to denote my t, which is my characters from my list, and j is going to denote the characters which are going to be reversed. Here you can see I have written minimum of t plus k minus 1 and length of word minus 1. Some of you might thinking that here k minus 1 should have come because the problem is saying k characters should be reversed. But if you write k minus 1 here, so only starting k characters will going to be reversed. After that we are not going to reverse E and F. And here length of word minus 1 has come because it may be possible that t plus k minus 1 is going to give us the out of index range. After creating the variables, we have run a loop in which the condition is I should be less than j, and here we are swapping the characters which I and j are denoting. Thereafter we are incrementing I and decrementing j. After reversing the k characters, we are updating our t by t plus 2k. Why? Because it may be possible that our string is greater than 2k. So let's take the example 1 to understand it more clearly. So in example 1, I will going to be denote a and j is going to denote t plus k minus 1, and t is currently 0. So k minus 1, that means 1. In the starting my j will going to denote b and my I will going to denote a. So they are going to be reversed, and thereafter my t will become t plus 2k, which means 4 now. Currently at 4 we have e now. Now my I has become e and j has become f now. So now e and f will going to be reversed, and thereafter my t will going to become 8. Now t has become 8, which is greater than of length of my list. So that's why we will come out from my loop and we are going to return our updated string, which is BACDFEG. So that's how I solve this problem. If you guys have any other solution of it, do write it on comment, and thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.